Hello students, good morning. So this video is for the students who are writing WRD HKAE exam tomorrow, that is on 31st July 2021 and on 1st August 2021. So I am here to give some important tips for you guys. So in this video I will try answering three different questions. That is, first one is what are the things you have to take compulsorily for the exam tomorrow and how you can attempt the exam with the cool mindset. And the third one is, as always, some motivational dose for you guys. So before answering the first question, let's understand what are the things we have to do today. So tomorrow you will be writing the exam at 10 a.m. So today what you have to do is just do revision, just keep turning the pages of the formula, which is very important. And if you have made any short notes, then just keep turning the pages. And I am sure most of you will be feeling that you have forgotten all the subjects, all technical and general studies subjects. Don't feel so, because this is what every student feel before the exam. Okay, because you will be very much panic, you will be very much stressed. So don't feel like that, because when you see the question paper tomorrow, definitely you will recollect whatever you have studied seriously. So just do revision today and do not think about anything. So even if you feel like you are forgetting the things, be with cool mind. Okay, so other samadatanda, do not try adding negativity in your mind. Okay na? And sleep at least for 6 hours today. Get up tomorrow early morning and visit the location, that is your exam center, at least 1 hour prior to the said timing. And what are the things you have to compulsorily carry? That is, you need to carry hall ticket, one original ID card, and you have to wear the mask, and you have to take the print of the hall ticket. Okay, and you have to take either blue or black ball pen. If you wish, you can take pencil and eraser. So these are the things which you have to take compulsorily. See, without hall ticket, without ID card, without mask, you are not allowed to enter the exam hall. Remember this. And again, what I can suggest is carry calculator with you guys. So if they allow, take it in the exam hall. If they don't allow, just silently keep outside in your bag. So these are the things which you have to take care before the exam. Now what are the things which you have to take care while writing the exam? So very first thing is, when you see the question paper as well as your OMR sheet, see that whether the series is same, and if all the things are rightly printed. And once that is done, fill in all your details. That is your registration number, that is hall ticket, your signature, and whatever the details they have asked, fill all the details without fail. Next point is, as it is an offline paper, so entire question paper will be in your hand, which is really good compared to that of the online. So just see all the questions, go through entire question paper thoroughly. Spend at least 5 minutes going through all the questions, so that you will get the feel ki how many questions I can answer. Okay, again, if you are very much panic, if you are stressed out, you will feel like you are not able to recollect anything. But do not feel. Once you go through entire question paper, start with the first question, think about only first question, try recollecting from your mind, try pulling it from your memory only about the first question, answer that. Go to next question, think about only that. If that question is from index properties of the soil, just think of only that particular chapter, definitely you will recollect. That time you should not recollect something from RCC SA steel. Now if the next question is from pavement materials, think about only that particular chapter, pavement materials, definitely you will recollect. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, if you know this particular question, then if you don't know 10th question or 12th question, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ, like I am not able to recollect the 10th question, so ಅದರದಿಂತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. Don't do like that. So ಅದು ಒಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಐತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ just deeply recollect. Definitely you will recollect and you will get the correct answer. And as you know, this exam is for 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. You will be having 100 questions in that. So roughly you can devote 1 minute per question. Okay, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು 1 minute ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ when you are solving this much questions. See, some questions will be like theory questions which you can answer just in a fraction of 10 to 15 seconds. So you can save this timing for solving the numerical questions. Okay na? So this is what you have to keep in your mind. On an average 1 minute per question, that is 20 minutes will be additional. So those 20 minutes you can increase, consider more when you are solving the numerical type of the questions. Now next thing is, some students mindset will be like, okay, I will answer from the first question systematically. Do not have that mindset. You first try attempting the questions which are very easy, which you know. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಆನ್ಸರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ and then they will go with the easy questions. So what I personally feel is, first attempt the easy questions which you are 100% sure, and at least have those marks in your pocket with 100% sure. Okay, Tridita? So try attempting easy questions, and when you are answering easy questions, you will be overconfident. So idan nanaga gottaithe anta sudden agi you will tick mark. So do not do like that. When easy questions are there, if there are around 20 easy questions, try getting 20 out of 20 for those 20 questions. So you should never commit mistake in the easy questions. Do not be overconfident, which we usually be when it comes to easy questions. So what you will do, you will read the question half and see the options half, that is first or second option, you will take mark. Don't do like that. Devote time for reading the question. So read the entire question, read all the options, and then the easiest way to answer is eliminating the options. If you have any confusions between the options, so eliminate that and tick mark the correct answer. So Tiritala, try attempting easy question, and as it is offline paper, so you can tick mark the questions in the question paper with the help of the pencil, so that once you see the question paper again, you will get to know which questions you have not answered. Try answering those questions and tick mark. That's it. And the next point is, as the question paper is having negative marking, that is 0.25 marks per question, that is per 1 mark question. So the questions will be of 2 marks, so you will be having 0.5 negative marking. So do not be in haste, or do not try attempting all the questions, and do not try to put the guess, because you will be having negative marking. So whichever the questions you have answered correctly, those marks you will be losing when it comes to the negative marking. So what I want to say is, if the questions are very difficult, that is if there are any numericals, and if you keep solving them, so some type of questions will be there, like you will feel like, yes, I will get the answer, but even if after trying for 5 minutes you will not be getting answer, and you will not feel to leave that particular question. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್, ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿವೋಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ other 5 to 6 questions. So do not do like that. If you feel like the question is too much lengthy, leave that question and go to next question. And when you are solving the numericals, you have to take care of the units very much, because most of the students commit mistake in the unit part only. So see the options, whether they have given in mm, centimeter, meter, kilonewton, kg. So take care of all these units, because you will be getting the correct answer with another unit, but when you see that in the option, it will not be there. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಗಡ್ಬಡಾಗಿ you will feel like, okay, I haven't got the answer ಅಂತಂದ you will go to the next question. So what I am trying to say is, units plays very very major role when it comes to the numerical part in civil engineering subject. So at the last, some motivation for you guys. Okay, so do not panic and do not feel overstressed when you are writing the paper, because your mind will go blank. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಓದಿದ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಕೂತು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಐ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 1 year. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 1 year ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸು ಹೊಳೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ತೊಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನಮ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ, ವೆರಿ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ and do not think of the results. As I always keep telling, do not think of the results, because the results is not in our hand. Whatever you have studied in 1 year, and whatever the 3 or 2 hours time you are devoting for the exam, that matters a lot rather than the results. So how you have utilized this 1 year and how you will be organized in this 2 hours of the exam, that plays a major role in the result part. So if ಎರಡು ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ definitely there is no point in worrying about the result. So you have to be very well organized when you are attempting the paper. So mixed up ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಶ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಂಬಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ತಾರೆ ಜಮೀಪರ ಹುಡುಗನ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೂಲ್, ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಲ್, be with cool mindset, and as I told you, do not think of the results. So and one more thing, what the students will feel is, illa inno estokondu notification baruadavu, I will work on that particular notification or that particular exam very seriously. So aa exam barudrunu matte nimd hanga mindset irdati. So you are getting my point, right? So whenever there is any notification, study for that particular exam very seriously. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲೇ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ other options and we will feel like yes we will do that better. But when that option is in our hand, again we will take that option lightly and again we will keep thinking of the other options. So definitely ಈ ಥಾಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಳೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 100%. If you feel like you are not able to answer the questions, then definitely the RDPR notification or some other BWSSB, whatever the gadgets or the drafts have come, definitely those thoughts will come in your mind and you will feel like ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತನು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ and attempt that paper seriously. And when you are writing exam tomorrow, if you feel like pressurized, something like that, I keep motivating the students. So you can check my previous videos also today, and whatever we have discussed in the videos, you can try recollecting that in the tomorrow's 2 hours of the time. So keep motivated. So we are always with you for your moral support. We always want to be a part of your success. And tomorrow when you are writing the paper, if you feel little down, pressurized, try recollecting whatever motivation thoughts I have shared in my videos. So this is what all we can do for you guys. We cannot go and write the question paper. Okay, so ನಮ್ಮ ಕುದುರೆ ನೀರು ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಷ್ಟ ಐತಿ. So the further part is your responsibility. It's your future and we will be more than happy if you get selected for the upcoming job. So that's all I wanted to share. So for any quick updates, stay connected with Sandpoint OnStream YouTube channel. And if you want to register for the classes, online, offline or recorded classes, so you can contact us anytime. All the very best. Be energetic, be happy, be motivated and attempt tomorrow's exam. All the very best again.